What's up, Turbo Ravers? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel of Car Enthusiasts. Today, finally, we have the all-new Altroz Racer 2024, guys. This comes with a 1.2-liter turbocharged engine which churns 120 horsepower with 170 Newton meters of torque. Claim time 0 to 100 is 11.3 seconds. This is the all-new hot hatch from Tata Motors, and we are going to be doing a deep dive. We are going to be exploring it inside out, the features, the offerings, the practicality, the comfort, the exterior and interior outlook. Everything will be explored, so stick till the end of the video so that you don't miss out on anything. And if you're planning on buying a Tata Altroz Racer, this is the video you need to watch, guys, and this will definitely help you make your decision much more easier when it comes to the Altroz Racer. So let's get started straight away. So guys, as you can see in front of you, this is the engine layout of the Tata Altroz Racer. You got insulation provided here as well. यहाँ पे gap दिया हुआ है इस चीज़ के लिए. Okay, so let me know your thoughts. What do you guys think of the engine layout? And this bonnet, when I was holding it, was feeling pretty light, and it was feeling very easy to hold, and easy to open and easy to close, of course. All right, rest of the car is the same. It is a 5-star rated car when it comes to safety. There's no changes in the platform or anything whatsoever. It is a well built car. We are all aware of that. Let's close the bonnet and explore the rest of the exterior. In the bonnet, guys, that's how it closes. So first of all, guys, this car comes with 3 variants: the R1, R2 and R3. It starts from 9.49 lakhs ex showroom, goes all the way to 10.99 lakhs ex showroom, guys. This is the R3 variant which we have in front of us. So what do we get in the front? First thing that you notice is the front parking camera, because this car comes with a 360-degree camera, guys. This is a semi-blacked out Tata logo with a grey finish on the outlines of the logo, and the rest is black. There is no chrome treatment. This is your blacked out glossy black grille. This is all glossy black over here, completely glossed out in black. This is your orange finish. This is the atomic orange, guys. It comes in 3 color variants. It is pure gray, atomic orange and avenue white, guys. So guys, these are your DRL setups. You can see finished in LEDs. This over here, your projector, you get in halogen, and you can later on change it to LEDs, which I think, in my opinion, will make it look and feel much more better. ये आपके high beam reflectors है, and this is your halogen indicator lamps. This is your fog lamp over here, that's also finished in halogen, and this bumper is finished in atomic orange. This is finished in black. You get a towing hook present over there, and that's pretty much it. It's the same. The Altroz is not very different. Just in terms of color options for the Racer, there are differences, guys. Let me know your thoughts. What do you guys think of the color scheme that has been going on over here, the orange and black with the white racing stripes? What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments below. And which color is your favorite, the avenue white, atomic orange, or the pure gray? Let me know that in the comments as well. My favorite is the pure gray, guys. मैंने उसको देखा, मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा. But anyway, to each their own in terms of color schemes. Do let me know your thoughts. Which color you like better in the Altroz Racer 2024, guys. So this is it from the front fascia, guys. ये आपका bonnet is finished in black. You can see your racing stripes in white, starting from here, going here, and going over there, and all the way to the roof line. All right, this is some addition over here in plastic. You get aero twin wipers, which is neat. ये wiper का design ऐसे जा रहा है, बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है. Let me know your thoughts. What do you guys think of the design of the wipers? Because it's looking really unique and cool. And you get a Easter egg setup over here. Peacock दिख रहा है कि नहीं आपको? I'm not sure. Let me zoom in. You can see the peacock over there. So a lot of Easter eggs in this car as well. Coming to the co-driver side, you get the Racer badging present. You get that turn indicator on the fender. I believe now it should be placed on the ORVM, but ठीक है, अभी आपको fender में ही मिल रहा है. This is your blind spot monitoring camera. Of course, this car comes with 360-degree camera, which we will see on the driver's side as well. Your door handles are finished in body color, no chrome treatment whatsoever. Your pillars are finished in glossy black. The A and the C pillar, B pillar in matte black. This area over here is also finished in glossy black, guys. So बहुत ही अच्छा look आ रहा है. I think the removal of chrome is giving it a little more sportier vibe. Chrome is something that I'm not a fan of personally. I think I mentioned that in a lot of my videos, but to each their own guys. अगर आपको क्रोम पसंद है आप क्रोम ऐड कर सकते हो बाद में. And wheels पे आ जाते हैं, you get disc brakes in the front but drum brakes in the rear. The wheel size is 185/60 R16 guys. This is finished in black, no dual tone treatment of the alloy. And MRF के eco tread tires मिलते हैं आपको. Sportier tires देने चाहिए थे इसमें, but ठीक है, you get eco friendly tires in this. You can see drum brakes at the rear. Fuel treatment is present on the co-driver's side, and this is how the car looks from the side. This is the side profile of the vehicle. Looks nice, and it looks long also. It's almost 4 meters long. It has a nice road presence even though it is a hatch, but it looks really good in terms of the rest of the hatches that are present in the market. When you talk about the design, I think I prefer the Altros's design over any other hatchback present in the market currently guys. आपके क्या thoughts है? Which hatch is your favorite that is available in India in terms of design? Let me know in the comments below. और अगर इतनी दूर तक आपने देख लिया है, like the video if you enjoyed it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and press that bell notification icon so you don't miss any of my future uploads guys. This is your sunroof का treatment. Racing stripes आप देख सकते हो यहाँ end हो रहा है, and this is finished in black as well. Now we can come to the rear of the all new Tata Altroz Racer guys. You can see your tail light setup and your backlights set up over there, and the Altroz badging finished in black. Same Tata logo का treatment rear में भी दिया हुआ है. You get a rear wiper, rear defogger with your high mounted stop lamp, alright, and you get your spoiler treatment. Okay, this is what it is. आप ये देख सकते हो यहाँ पे कुछ डिज़ाइन का एडिशन है यहाँ पे, थोड़ा स्पोर्टीनेस देने के लिए, but that's about it. You also get your rear camera present, and this is your reflector treatment. Reflector treatment 1, 2 parking sensors, 4 should have been there in my opinion. iTurbo Plus का badging also is available. At the rear, I is finished in red and Turbo Plus. If you remember, the Turbo variant that Tata Altroz used to come with earlier had a 5-speed manual gearbox, and this one has a 6-speed manual gearbox. Plus, इसमें Turbo Plus लिखा है, उसमें सिर्फ iTurbo ही लिखा था, because Turbo Plus, this has more power, this gearbox is much more capable. So they have differentiated it from the earlier turbo variant of the Altroz guys. Vocal for local sticker is present here. Any Easter eggs on the rear windshield which we are so used to in Tata cars? I cannot see it, but if you can see it, you can let me know. Shark fin antenna is also present, which is finished in body color, and you can check out the angle from here. We're going to be opening the boot and exploring that as well. Opening the boot guys, this is what the story is. Boot size is decent. You don't get a 60-40 split in this, you get a full split. Okay, the whole front, the whole rear seat goes down. You get a parcel tray which is detachable guys. And the spare wheel की बात करें तो, and yeah, this is your spare wheel, which is sized at 165/80 R14. So it's a smaller spare wheel. Of course, the steel rim. This is your tire change kit present. And let's shut this. Anything else? You get a boot lamp present. Hook treatment की बात करें, so I don't see hook here. One hook over here, one hook over here. Maximum load is 3 kgs guys. So you get 2 hooks also for your boot, and you can, you know, hang things that you need to hang on those hooks. Alright, so let's close the boot. That's pretty much it. It's a very well built car guys. Feels very solid. Coming to the driver's side guys, ये design element भी एक है, आप बम्पर में देख सकते हो कुछ ऐसे करके protrude कर रहा है, you know, to give it some sort of a sportier element. And coming over here, of course the doors open like this, and they open all the way 90 degrees. I mean, look at the angle that you can go in. You've got so much space, you can go in easily guys. Closing the door, and you get request sensor only on the driver's side with the keyhole slot present. You get a blind spot monitoring camera on the driver's side. ORV finished in black. Indicator treatment, racer badging driver side में भी आपको प्राप्त होता है guys. Side skirt की treatment देखें, so this is an extra addition I feel, and it goes on like this all the way to the front. It's not a body cladding of course, but it's some sort of a side skirt addition. Let me know your thoughts guys. Exterior कैसा लगा आपको? Design कैसा लगा आपको? What are your thoughts of the Tata Altroz? Please comment section में do let me know your opinions, and let's have a discussion over there, okay? Because this is supposed to be the replacement of the Polo, and this is supposed to compete with the i20 N line and the Fronx Turbo and the Tizer Turbo, okay? Fronx and Tizer are the same car, so ठीक है, फिर we have to mention all of them. These are the cars in this segment that come with the turbo engine, guys. So will this be a viable replacement for the Polo that we miss so much? We'll have to test drive it and find out. Unfortunately, we can't do it right now, but when we can, I will definitely bring that video to you as well. But this is supposed to be the replacement for the Polo because, well, build quality is something that Tata focuses on, and it's very important for Tata to provide safe cars for their consumers. So let's start off with the functions on the driver's side, guys, because we're about to get inside the car and explore each and everything what we have in the interiors as well. So you get your tweeter setup over here, you get your door opening knob finished in glossy black. Over here you can see your ORVM adjustment treatment. This is your auto window standard treatment. You get your one touch up and down only for the driver, the rest are all standard. This is your window locking and unlocking button. मैं door lock और unlock का button नहीं देख पा रहा हूँ, so maybe it's not on this side. This is not a door handle storage, there's a gap over here, but I think अगर इसको block कर देते, this would have been more practical in my opinion. You could have stored your knickknacks on this area, but that's okay. You get huge storage, you get umbrella holder also, okay, storage over here, storage over here. You can store your 1 liter bottle very easily, not a problem whatsoever. This is hard plastic fabric treatment on the elbow support for the driver, speaker treatment. Now we're going to be getting inside the car, guys, and we'll be exploring each and every detail. Third to aapne suna, great third of this car as usual. This feels very well built, and this is what the steering setup is, guys. Leather wrap steering wheel with orange accents for your stitching, guys. So it's a nice color scheme. When you talk about the exterior and the interior, it is completely matching because orange accents you can see on the AC borders as well. Over here where the gear is placed, you can see on its border that orange accents are there. On the seats as well, seats look very premium, guys. They feel very premium also. When you touch it and feel it, it feels like a very upmarket setting of the seats. The leather feels good. You can see orange accents on the stitching. Attention to detail is there in this car, guys, when it has come to the interior. Exterior की बात मैं नहीं करूँगा, but इंटीरियर में जो अटेंशन टू डिटेल टाटा वालों ने दिया ना, इट्स फिनोमिनल, गाइस, इन माय ओपिनियन. व्हाट डू यू गाइस थिंक? यू कैन लेट मी नो योर थॉट्स. यू गेट दिस ग्लॉसी ब्लैक ट्रीटमेंट ऑन द स्टीयरिंग व्हील. ओवर हियर यू गेट योर ट्रैक फंक्शन, वॉल्यूम इंक्रीज एंड डिक्रीज, योर ब्लूटूथ फंक्शन, योर वॉइस कमांड, कॉल एक्सेप्ट एंड डिक्लाइन, एंड this is on the left side, of course, and on the right side you get your cruise control functions, guys. So that is there. For the drive functions over here, ये रहा लॉक एंड अनलॉक का बटन. जो हम यहाँ एक्सप्लोर कर रहे थे वो यहाँ पे है. फॉग लाइट एंड योर 360 degree camera view with your push start stop button placed on this side, guys. So let's what do you say, let's do a soft start, guys. इसका soft start करते हैं, चाबी है हमारे पास. So that's how it starts, guys. As you can see, Tata Motors का आपने intro देखा, okay, and that needle swipe was also present, plus clutch pedal to start engine. Digital setup ends still here, okay, and you can see your tachometer present over there. You can see your engine temperature and fuel gauge on the right side. Let's focus on the MID. What do you guys say? Vehicle info मिलता है आपको यहाँ पे, notifications, navigation, layout, settings, trip info. You get a lot of options. So vehicle info में क्या है? Power and torque band, you get your date and time, you get your press and go back to menu. Notifications में you get nothing, so we're gonna go back. And navigation में this is your compass and this is your press to go to menu. That's it. Layout options में you get dial view, digital view and minimal view. This is your minimal view, guys, and that's it. 3 views that you are getting. And we're going to go back to dial. This is settings की option. You get clock, calendar, favorite menu selection, factory reset, about, and we're going to go back. And trip info, vehicle info, notification सब हमने explore कर लिया है. This is what it is in terms of MID setup. This is your 10.25 inch touchscreen, guys, which we've already explored in the Nexon, guys. अगर आप वो देखना चाहते हो, I'll place the link over here. And it's slick to use. It feels very premium. You get Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, Amazon Alexa as well, AQI, climate, image viewer, media, phone, quick settings, radio settings, share my location, sound demo, surround view, Tata Assist, video player, voice assistant, and what 3 words? This I don't know what this is. Please tell me in the comments. And this is your notifications menu, software update, vehicle, phone, others. And this is your home menu. इसमें आपको ये मिलता है option. This is your AC का option. ये आपका ये क्लाइमेट कंट्रोल है. दिस इज योर डिजिटल क्लाइमेट कंट्रोल. यू कैन कंट्रोल द AC फ्रॉम द स्क्रीन इट्सेल्फ, गाइज. एंड इसको अगर हम होम में जाते हैं एंड या वही AC का ही ऑप्शन है दोनों गाइस. सो दैट्स pretty neat. Air quality very poor. So we are breathing in really poor quality of air. And Altroz का badging है यहाँ पे. You can see your AC functions are all in physical buttons. There is no touch setup whatsoever. Okay guys, thank you. ये बार बार बोल रहा है air quality poor. So this is your physical setup. Front defogger, your blower functions are present over here, and this is your rear defogger guys. This is your express cool button, AC, internal air circulation. This is your AC off. This is your USB A, USB C and 12 volt charging socket. This is your wireless charging pad, and this is your 6-speed मैनुअल गियर बॉक्स. ये गियर नॉब थोड़ा ओल्ड स्कूल लग रहा है मेरे को, थोड़ा ग्लॉसी ब्लैक में होता तो बहुत प्रीमियम लगता, बट ठीक है, दैट्स व्हाट इट इज. यू गेट 2 cup होल्डर सेटअप, यू गेट हैंड ब्रेक सेटअप, यू गेट आर्म रेस्ट which has storage and which is slidable. इसमें भी आपको orange accents का stitching देखने को मिल रहा है. Seat is very comfortable guys, absolutely comfortable. Vanity mirror on the co-driver's side. This is for your light function. Cabin light is finished in LED. Sunroof का function, SOS and your calling button. Passenger airbag का system है यहाँ पे. Passenger airbag so gate को खोलोगे उस side में located है, where you can switch it off before entering. Over here you get for your driver side sun visor, you get a ticket holder guys. So this is what it is. वहाँ भी ट्विटर मिलता है आपको, वहाँ भी ट्विटर मिलता है आपको, जिसमें बहुत सारे ट्विटर्स है. मतलब साउंड क्वालिटी तो ऑफ कोर्स टाटा की नेक्स्ट लेवल ही है गाइज. लेट्स सी, डू वी हैव साउंड डेमो. साउंड डेमो है इसमें. लेट्स प्ले समथिंग. व्हाट डू यू गाइस से? एंड प्ले हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा है, आई एम नॉट श्योर. वॉल्यूम बढ़ाते हैं. हाँ, साउंड क्वालिटी इज अमेजिंग गाइस. टाटा का हमेशा से साउंड क्वालिटी बहुत ही अच्छा रहा है. सो दैट इज वन थिंग. एंड दिस इज योर ग्लव बॉक्स. यू गेट 2 compartments, 1 2 ओवर देयर. एंड यहाँ पे कप होल्डर्स भी है. feels useless to me. यहाँ पे also you can store something. So very practical glove box in my opinion guys. This is how the dash looks. Let me know your thoughts. What do you guys think? थोड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है मेरे को ये dash. बहुत ही स्पोर्टी भी लग रहा है, प्रीमियम भी लग रहा है. This is my opinion guys. You can have a different opinion. Please do let me know in the comments below. IRVM is manually dimming, so this should have been auto dimming in my opinion. Anyway, this is what it is in the driver's seat and the co-driver's side. Let's go to the rear and explore what do we have over there. Before we go to the rear, this also opens all the way 90 degrees. So दोनों साइड आपको 90 degrees मिल जाता है. अब हम जाएंगे पीछे. एंड एज वी आर ऑल अवेयर, टाटा is famous for the 90-degree door opening angle. So let's get inside. Easily we are able to get inside and easily we'll be able to go outside. I mean, it's very passenger oriented as well. Over here you can see rear AC vents. You can control the vents from here. You get a 5 volt USB A charging socket. So charging sockets के बारे में, like you get 4 charging sockets in total and a wireless charging pad is also available. So 5 charging options you have in this car. You do get an armrest but no cup holders guys. Cup holders होना चाहिए था. See how sweaty my arms are man. It's very hot today. इस बात पे एक like और subscribe definitely बनता है guys, because इतनी गर्मी है फिर भी हम वीडियो बना रहे हैं. Just देखो यार इसको. Anyway, let's keep moving. You get ISOFIX points, 3-point seat belts, only 2 adjustable headrests. That is one thing. And you get a grab handle support with hook. क्रैब हैंडल विथ हुक, दोनों साइड हुक मिल रहा है इसमें आपको. ये रहा आपका सनरूफ का ट्रीटमेंट. सनरूफ इज प्रीटी स्टैंडर्ड सनरूफ ही है, पैनोरामिक तो है नहीं ऑफ कोर्स. यू गेट अ डोर स्टोरेज विच इज डिसेंटली साइज. दिस इज अगेन शुड हैव बीन यूज्ड एज अ स्टोरेज इन माय ओपिनियन, और प्रैक्टिकलिटी बढ़ जाती है इस गाड़ी की. एंड या यू गेट योर ऑरेंज एंड वाइट एक्सेंट्स या रेसिंग स्ट्राइप्स आप देख रहे हो. यहाँ रियर सीट्स में भी आपको प्राप्त हो रहा है. यू गेट योर ऑरेंज स्टिचिंग running from here. You can see this is my sweat. Okay, don't look at that. Right. Seat pockets. Leg room की बात करें, this is adjusted to my driving position. And knee room is decent guys. Foot room is also okay. Anand head support is also decent. Let me know your thoughts. What do you guys think of the spacing at the rear? My height is 6 feet tall for your reference. Speaker setup, tweeter setup, speaker setup, 2 tweeters in the front, 2 speakers in the front, so 8 speaker setup का है. So it's a very phenomenal audio system as we already experienced when we were testing it out also. Anyway, this is what it is guys. और तो कुछ दिखाने को बचा ही नहीं है. Altroz की हमने इतनी वीडियोस की है. इंटीरियर से जो डिफरेंसेस है I've already shown you. Yeah, one more thing, that dash is finished over there in glossy black and silver. This I wanted to show you guys, so that is one thing, but yeah, the rest of it is more or less the same guys. Let's get outside and conclude the video of the all new Tata Altroz Racer 2024. Guys, this was my video of the all new Tata Altroz Racer 2024. Is it the viable replacement for the Polo or not? You tell me that in the comments guys. I will leave that up to you, but does compete with the i20 N-Line. It competes with the Fronx, which I've already mentioned earlier. But in terms of looks, I think this is the best looking hot hatch that we have in India today from Tata Motors. I mean, compared to the i20 as well, I like the looks of the Altroz much better. In my opinion guys, it is much better than the i20 because if we are competing, the main competitor is the i20 N-Line for this, because Fronx और Tizer तो यार क्रॉसओवर के सेगमेंट में एक टाइप के आ जाते हैं. बट ठीक है, दे आर ऑल्सो हैचेज ओनली, लेट्स नॉट गिव देम दैट. ओके, बट एनी वे गाइज, आई रियली लव्ड एक्सप्लोरिंग दिस व्हीकल एंड आई कैनॉट वेट टू ड्राइव इट. आई होप आई गेट द अपॉर्चुनिटी सून to drive this car and test out the capability of this car as well, and I will definitely let you guys know when I get the chance to drive this car, so that you guys can join me and experience the Altroz Racer for yourself as well. So thank you so much for joining me in this video guys. Let me know your thoughts about this car in the comments below. If you have any suggestions for me, do let me know that as well, and I will see you on the next one. Till then, take care and stay safe, top drivers. Bye bye.